Hello everyone and welcome back to another Plane 002 video, and today we are going to be playing Stock Cars. So this is a game that I've been playing for quite a long time now, maybe 2 to 3 months, and I've gotten this car, this car, this car, this car and this car, which this car is a flip of this car, as you can see. Then we have rookie cars. I don't have any of these because I don't want to buy any of these. Then we have these. I have the 1970 and the Thunderbird, which is pretty cool, and we're gonna be playing with the Thunderbird today. So obviously these are not real cars. In real life, if this car wasn't a stock car, it could have actually been a Dodge Charger. I'm pretty sure 1969 Dodge Charger. Daytona. Yeah, let's get right into it. And so we're just gonna do a regulation race, nothing else. It's just gonna be pretty easy, and I'm just gonna do 2 races. So okay, I usually don't talk when I'm racing like this, but just because you are watching and you probably want me to talk, I'm gonna. But until I overtake 3rd place, I'm not gonna be able to talk because I can easily crash. Okay, perfect. Now 1st place can wait, or not. So the greatest thing about being able to have the quickest car on the entire track, so all of the cars, most of the cars on the track are actually further behind this one, but they're not as fast as this, so they can't clock me. And this is 11th place, looks very similar to 10th place, I think, or maybe 10th place is not, doesn't actually look anything like it. And also let's see how many seconds does it take. 10.06 seconds, so pretty nice. Oh, 10th place is one of those cars, you know, you remember the green car, the 86 one in Cars 1, that one? Wait, was it in Cars 1 or 2? I think it was actually in Cars 1, 2. Yeah, it has to be in 2, right? Was it 1 or 2? It's 2, right? Yeah, it's 2. Okay, nice. 5th lap already. So it's 2. 12th place is really far up on the line. 5th place by loser. And we're coming up to 4th place. You can say the exact same thing again. Bad loser. 3rd place, bad loser. 2nd place, bad loser. No, literally, they lost. Nice. Okay. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm just kidding. So I'm pretty sure you all know that was just a stupid ad for Minecraft from Minecraft mods, and it says Kingcraft. So a huge ripoff on the ad even. Some ads don't even cut out the Minecraft part. I've seen a lot of ads that done that. At least 6 different ads. Not just the same ad over and over again. Let's just speed past 1st place. Okay, so see this black line this line is a line that I meant to follow, but I don't follow it. Well, usually no one follows this line except the AI sometimes. But I like to follow it usually off camera. Well, usually in just my daily life, or just when I'm not vlogging or anything like that. So the black line goes up here, it disappears, then you do a lap, then it reappears. See? So this is one that's further away from the one I'm currently driving. It's the same brand / model thingy, but it just has more horsepower. It has more horsepower. It might have more horsepower, but this has more speed, and speed's all that matters. And I know you might be like, why haven't I even said a single thing about NASCAR yet? Well, mostly I'm not into a lot of motorsports. Oh, nice, SpikeX. Also, by the way, you should definitely subscribe to SpikeX. He's one of my favorite YouTubers. And for all of you who are wondering what SpikeX's age is, he's a 34-year-old man. No, I'm serious. He's not. Yes, he is 34. He could be 24. Not sure, it's 30 or 20. Wait, no. 24 is Jelly, yeah, so 34. Right, loser. Okay, that's the fastest truck in everything. Usually that truck sometimes beats me, but until I get the good car, I hate this ad so much. If you like this game, you are not allowed to subscribe or anything like that. I don't care if it's Fortnite, as long as it's not PUBG. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button, and we'll see you all next time. Goodbye!